Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about creating an account on InstaMojo. You may be thinking that what is InstaMojo? InstaMojo is nothing, just a payment collecting tool. So if you know, then congratulations, and if you don't know, then stick with this lesson because you have to create account on this platform. So let me show you one by one. So online store. You can see here online payments. Under online payments, you can check Pan India 100 plus payment methods, encrypted PCI dishes, compliance, easy API integration. Anyway, so without wasting time, let me tell you it's a payment gateway, payment links, smart links, faster payouts, embed payment button, payment gateway integration. Suppose you want to collect payment from any person. You can create professional payment link and you can send to your friends or to anyone, and those or your friends will make payment to you with the help of link. So without wasting time, just come here, click on sign up button. It will also help you to sell digital products, digital courses, because it will help you in collecting payments. So you have two options. You can log in with Facebook or Google, or even you can log in with this criteria. So I'm going to log in with sign in with Google. So I will click here. So after sign up step, you will reach here. Get started with InstaMojo. So payments, collect and send payments requests, create payment links. So if you are going to create a store, then you can go with this. But here you have to go with this. So payment, we are going to collect payment with the help of InstaMojo. Click on this. Okay, so InstaMojo payment link. It's your names. It's your name. You can write anything here, like your name or your surname. Whenever you click on Google instamojo.com/Elisadda, system will open this page. That means your page. So while giving link, you should be very careful because you must enter your name. So I have taken this. Now I will go to next step. Now what type of business are you? You just type, click here individual, and are you a proprietor? No. Business details next. So step 3 is what category is your business in? Select a category. So whatever category you have, you just select it. Books and magazines, whatever, education and jobs. Let's take education. Now, what subcategory is your business in? Like personal teaching, online teaching, exam preparation, job consulting, resume writing, online teaching. Take anything. Now, approx annual turnover. You can write it here. I'm starting now. Now, how old is your business? I'm starting a new business. Number of employees, self-employed. So do you have a website? No. If you have, you just go ahead, and if you don't have, then you just click on no. So please describe your product or service in detail. I want to sell digital products like ebooks. It's totally depends on you what type of products you want to sell. ebooks, digital courses. Okay, in this way you just go ahead. Now description must be at least 100 characters. Okay, I will copy this, but in case of you just write in detail. Okay, this is just for demo purpose. Now setup 5, more business details. Changing pen letter is not permitted. Please make sure you enter the correct pen. Now you have to enter your pen number, your name, which is mentioned on your PAN card, your address, state, whatever PIN code. GST is optional as you have selected personal. What do you sell? Products. Okay. Next one is bank details. So once you submit everything, whatever I have given you in the lesson, they will create your account, and after creating account I will show you how to upload digital products like the books we have created in last lesson. We will upload in the next lesson. I hope you like the lesson. You just go ahead, create the account, and meet you in the next lesson. For now, bye bye.